Okay, dogs can't do math. That's acceptable. That's acceptable. Everyone knows that dogs can't do math. I know. Okay, you don't have to know that much detail. It's okay. It's okay. You're growing. You're growing as a dog.
I was trying to build you up a little bit. I'll be honest.
Was that a door knock?
It sounded like it. I kind of want to bark at.
Was that a real door knock?
I kind of want to bark.
Is that a real door knock?
I'm gonna go see what's going on.
Okay, yeah, go see what's going on. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is gonna be so weird. That's a real door knock? I don't think this is a good idea. I don't think this is a good idea. Someone call the cops. Yes, someone call the cops. Get away. Oh my god. There's someone at the door. There's someone at the fucking door and I don't know what to do. 720-902-7679. Someone called the cops on us. They knew we were too fucking high. Shit. Oh my god, he's coming back. He's coming back. Mayor McCheese is gonna fucking answer the door, apparently. Someone ordered fucking Del Taco to us. Did someone seriously order fucking Del Taco to the house? Oh my god, he opened the fucking door. He opened the fucking door and the dog. Oh my god. There's a delivery to the house. There's a delivery to the house. What the fuck is going on? Lock the door. Lock the door. What is going on? What is that?
Dude.
What is that?
Del Taco. It's Del Taco.
Oh my god. What?
It's fucking
No.
Del Taco.
What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so fucking weird. This is so... I'm too fucking high for this shit. I'm too fucking high for this shit. Did someone order Del Taco to the fucking show? Someone ordered Del Taco to the fucking show. I'm too high right now.
It's Del Taco.
No! Okay, no.